Hi everyone. Now we moved on to step 2 or second part of the assignment, and so here you see what we've done so far. We've got the merging center up here, we've got our headings, we have our data entered, and we have the formulas here summing each of the cells in this column. And so now we want to enter another sum formula to sum the column here. So what I'm going to do is, again, click where I want that to be. I'm going to click on the Formulas tab and go to Auto Sum and choose Sum. And again, Excel is going to make a guess what I would like to sum. But I don't want to include the empty row here or the row that's going to have my subtotals. So I need to edit this range. And so up here in the formula bar, you see the range. I'm going to click right after the 6. I'm going to use the backspace key to remove the 6. I'm going to type a 4. So now the range is B3 to B14, which is what I want. I could have used these handles and dragged the selection box, but it's difficult to grab those when it's right next to the cell that you're putting the formula in. So I didn't do that. So I'm going to click on the check mark here to accept that. And now I'm going to use the autofill handle again to fill that across. So now I've summed the columns, just like we summed the rows. And so we have a sum of the column F here. But now I'd like to check my work by doing another formula that sums the columns. So I'm going to click in this cell here, G20, and I'm going to insert the sum function again. So I'm going to click up here and click on sum. And Excel is confused now because I don't have numbers either to the left or above. So it's put the cursor in the middle of the parentheses, and it's asking me to tell it what to sum. So I'm going to select a range, which is these 4 columns here that I've already summed. And I'm going to click the check mark, and now it's summed the columns. So what we have determined is that the sum of all the columns adds up to 18,312, and we've already seen that the sum of all the rows adds up to 18,312. So that gives us confidence that our formulas are correct in both the rows and columns, and our spreadsheet can be counted on to give us correct numbers here.